Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to replace pipes on a Mercedes, the models that have the turbo. So this would be like 450s, 550s, 2013 and up. So the part numbers here for the pipe that goes from the air filter to the turbo, the part number in this case is A27809400797. It might be different part in your vehicle, so make sure to check that. And then you have from turbo to the intake manifold in there, and you have part 27809800507. So the first thing, you're gonna have to take this off, otherwise you're not gonna have much room to get to the lower pipe. To take this off, you have this, you gotta loosen this here, you gotta remove the bolt that goes right there, and then you simply just pull this off and that comes off. And then this pipe, you got to loosen this screw right here, and then you got a screw right there. You got two bolts in this case, one there as well, and then the other one is down here. Get those loose and then you can remove. Now to install it, we're going to go ahead and do the installation. In this case we have that bracket loose. Let's get that route that properly. Over there, we're gonna push it up here first, and then we're gonna push down, and you can see how it's sitting perfectly there. All we have to do now is tighten these screws right here. Alright, that's starting to get tight. Okay, now we have to tighten this right here. Now you do have a clamp that needs to go over the lower one, so make sure you reinstall that. And then the way that this will go is basically you would come here, kind of have to sneak this through carefully, then you would line that up down there with the turbo inlet, and then here you simply press it up here, and then you can see the bolt right there. It's the upper bolt where that goes, and then you have the lower bolt as well. So make sure to reinstall this bracket on the bottom here. So that's going to be a little bit tricky to get to, but you can, once you insert your fastener right here, make sure that the screw here is pointing straight up so that you can go straight down and then tighten that. And that's it. Thank you for watching.